Alright, y'all. So we're about to roll the Camaro out of the garage.
Gold digger.
Yep, gold digger.
Gold digger.
Put it in the driveway and then start doing some more shit. Oh, should we?
I think once we get it out, we'll bring it in and use that blanket and set it over here against the wall.
Okay, it's not gonna slide or anything.
Straighten it out a little bit.
I love this fiberglass hood. It's so light.
I guess we'll just be doing something with the towels, right?
Alright, y'all. So, we outside. Ooh, look at how pretty she looks. Got the fenders off, looking like a race car out here. Look at that giddy up. Alright. The AFR still reading. Stupid off. Alright, pause. Let's take a second to go over this. So essentially what happened is I was already recording for about an hour or so worth of GoPro footage of just constant failure to get the car to start. And we were both under the impression that the car was standalone for the fuel and ignition, being that they were separate. Although we came to find out they are not. It should have been wired together from the get-go. We were going back and forth on it, thinking should it not, and essentially it was just a lot of time wasted trying to start it without any fuel. So I'll be the first to admit we messed up. It was our first time ever doing that, and shit happens. So to spare you guys the time, I'm just going to cut until we finally got it figured out and we actually started the car.
Yeah, I bet this is probably the same red one as this. So I bet we weren't powering the fuel injectors in the club because of this wire wasn't hooked up.
Alright.
And then your switch is off, right?
Yep, and that should power the fuel pump whenever I flip it on for the 5-second prime.
It should. The fuel pump and the coils.
Okay. So just to update you guys, we have been troubleshooting constantly, and we think it's because this wasn't hooked up properly. Ready?
I guess so.
Hey, it primed.
It did prime.
It primed.
And it turned off.
Yep. Alright. Ready? Kill it?
Yeah, if you can. I got no transmission fluid right now.
Okay.
too hot. We gotta change out your sensors.
Yep, it runs good. All right, boys, so I'm gonna end the video off here. As you can tell, it took lots of tries to finally figure out what was wrong, but we figured it out. It was just a little misunderstanding on the way that the Holly runs, but that's a part of it. That's part of the learning process. Look at that jumbo wires. We're gonna fix all that, but that's just temporary for right now, just so we can start it. And yes, I know the key is in ignition, but that's only to free up the steering, because and none of the ignition's actually hooked up to the keys. But it's running, it's driving. As you can see, I drove it into the garage, drove it for the first time. We're gonna end it off here. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.